have fun at the same time relax, na hindi masyadong maingay. Punta ka dito sa Bahia Balear. It's really unique and beautiful. Last year, my summer fun, mostly the Holy Week, kasama ko yung family ko. We went to Baguio. We're much exhausted na sa syudad na mainit, so we tried Baguio. But if you'll ask, syempre, kapag mga age like us or stops now, we commonly do, syempre, beach. I'm studying medicine right now. Akala ko nung una, parang kaya kong mapetics at least first year. Pero hindi. Sobrang hirap. Wala pa rin.
Wala pa.
I really do love anything to do about medicine kasi ever since, I really want to be a tagapaggamot ng kahit sinong mga tao. Ewan ko, gusto ko ng emergency, ng blood. I want to cure, I want to know how to analyze diseases, stuff like that. So, syempre, nung naging registered nurse ako, mas nagkaroon akong lakas ng loob na maging doktor. I've been a cheerleader ever since elementary days. College, I joined NCAA. I'm a really dancer by heart. Kung pwede nga lang, wag na mag-doktor, magiging dancer na lang ako. Kaso lang, syempre, di ba dito sa Philippines, hindi naman siya mahirap matackle yung ganong career.
Wala? Ayaw kalapitan.
Kaya na pa
Ayan na. Ayan! Nice! Okay.